Literacy and Numeracy in Early Childhood Education. This is our next workshop that is coming up. We will deliver a practical and visual workshop placing mathematical concepts and early literacy skills into familiar contexts that young children can relate to. Throughout the workshop, participants will explore what emergent early literacy looks like, sounds like, and feels like. We will talk about concepts about print and the value of sharing books. We will discuss the importance of daily oral language and language experiences to develop our children's speaking, listening, and questioning skills. We will delve into what it means to develop and build the foundational skills, such as memory, visual auditory skills, fine and gross motor skills, and where literacy and mathematics align together. We'll be sharing ideas around different literacy and mathematics teaching approaches. We will experience maths and literacy activities and games. We will look at visual resources, props, equipment and tools. And finally, we will talk about the joy of introducing phonics to children. This workshop is not something to be missed. You will be equipped and you will go away inspired. So please make sure you register now. Thank you.